Well, for iPhones, my usual go-to case is Apple's official leather case, and with the iPhone 13 Pro, I did the same. I did get their golden brown leather case for my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro, and after using it for almost over a year, I feel this case is a bit more tough to get that patina effect. Now, most won't prefer that worn out look, but if in case you fall into such a category, well then Apple's leather case is nowadays much more resistant to it. And that's a good thing if you go for a different color case because then they pretty much stay in good looking condition for much more longer period of time. Well, with light colored cases like this golden brown one, the sides get a bit worn out, which to me doesn't look that special. Now by using this golden brown leather case for a longer time, I feel that Apple's leather case are not that of a good value, but it surely does provide a premium feel and look for your iPhone. And to me, that's the reason I've stick with leather cases. Its pricing is just 10 USD more than the Apple silicon case, and I will surely recommend this case over the silicon one. Because here, the in-hand feel is much better and also the case is kind of minimal. It's literally like adding no bulk and hence the overall in-hand experience is not spoiled. And also this metal button setup is just perfect. They provide great tactile feedback and this shiny metal does look much more elegant. Now for the cutouts, well they are precise so connecting your lightning cable is not an issue. But here one thing to note is that dust accumulation does happen in the cutout section and its cleaning is needed. Now taking the case off the phone is not very difficult and also they don't break that easily even if you do take your phone off the case in a regular manner. So in that regard it's a good thing, and also this microfiber interior lining has kept my phone in brand new condition. And by the way, the display is slightly protected because the case does offer a bit of lay on the table design. And most importantly, this massive camera protrusion stays inside this section and hence the camera lens won't come in contact with the surface. But then the area between the camera does collect dust, which has actually been an issue with these new iPhones even if you don't use a case. And for the case's durability, well, other than a slight leather peeling happening over this section, the rest is staying fine. And actually this has happened because I did drop my phone with the case and this is the area which took the impact. But then it was not a hard concrete, but on the other hand, it was a wooden floor. So overall for the price, well, Apple's leather cases are surely not justifiable in the price is to value ratio, but as I said, if you want a premium case which provides good in-hand feel, which also offers protection for your phone, and it shouldn't add much bulk to the phone, well then other than checking third-party options, these are the ones I'll recommend. And if you're not particular about the color, getting a darker toned case will look better in the long run. So what are your thoughts on Apple's leather cases for the iPhone 13 series? Please leave that in the comment section, and if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel because you won't miss our future contents. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye.